confirmed by emergency management.
Eastern Decatur counties. At 8:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Huntington, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lexington, Huntington, Camden, Natchez Trace State Park, Natchez Trace State Forest, New Johnsonville, Brewston, Atwood, Blue Goose, Vale, Barberton, Wildersville, Parker's Crossroads, Treasavant, Hollow Rock, Big Sandy, Clarksburg, McLemoresville, Hickory Flat, and Dollar. This includes Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 88 and 135. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following county: Henry, Tennessee. The National